Today I will show you how you can make the invoice in 5 minutes for the business customer on Amazon and eBay. But before starting with the invoice, I would like to tell you about the two things that when you need exactly the invoice and the what information you need to include in the invoice. Basically, you need the invoice for each order placed on Amazon business customer, and you need to upload the invoice in 24 hours after the order has been placed. This invoice is mandatory for the both cases if you are a big business owner and if you are a small business owner. Basically, for the big business owners who have the revenue more than 50,000 a year, they can avail the auto invoicing service on Amazon. So this video will be less fruitful for the big business owner, but this video is basically for the small business owner. In case of Germany, the small business owner is considered when the revenue is less than 22,000 euros in first year, and the second year if the revenue is less than 50,000 euros, then it is considered to be a small business owner. And in case of small business owner, they are not required to pay the VAT on their sales, so that's why they have to make the invoices by their own self. So that's why this video is more fruitful for the small business owner. Now we come to the second point, that what information we need to include in the invoice to make the proper invoice. Basically, you need to include the 5 things: seller's registered company name and address, customer's full official name and address, date of issue, type and the quantity of delivered product, gross price per item, and the total amount due. Now I start with the invoice making. There are different websites, but I personally prefer the website, its name, the Get Sorted, and because I like the interface, and the interface is very easy. You need to make your account, and afterwards you can go in an income section, and I made the invoices earlier, and I made one invoice for you, so you can easily make the invoice and the proper invoice for your business customer. This is the invoice. Means you can either make in English or in my case, my marketplace is German, so you can switch the language as well. So we will start with the top. You can add the logo of your company here. I choose a random logo here. Here you can add the details of your company, your full name, business name, and the address. Here you need to give the information of the buyer, his name and his address, and here you can give the invoice date. Invoice date will be the same way when the order is placed. Invoice number you can copy it from Amazon, delivery date and the due date. Furthermore, you can here describe the item, and here you can give the quantity of the item. Let's suppose it's 10, and here you can enter the price per item. I would choose like 10, and the total would be 100 euros. And if you are not charging VAT, if you are a small business owner or a Kleinunternehmer in Germany, then you won't charge VAT here, so it will be 0. But if you are subjected to charge the VAT, then you can edit this information, and you can write here that I have to charge the VAT. So then you can here yearly or monthly, you can select it, then it will charge the 19%. It's Germany, it's 19% VAT, so it will automatically calculate the VAT here. Furthermore, you can at the bottom you can give your tax detail here, the bank details, and your personal details. So that's how you can make the invoice easily. And if you want to make the invoice in English language, you can also make here. If you want to convert the invoice in Deutsch, then you can, with the one click, you can convert the invoice in Deutsch, and afterwards you can save and you can send it to your customer. That's how you can easily create the invoice. If you like this video, then kindly hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, then you can write below in the comment box. Thank you very much.